This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 was released last October of 2023, and this is a very hot commodity, most especially here in the Philippines, wherein every DJI store is on a back order status. The Pocket 3 comes in the standard edition, which retails for around $519 or 29,000 here in the Philippines, and the Creator Combo, which retails around $669 or 39,000 here in the Philippines. Now, let's unbox the Pocket 3, right? As you can see, so this one I have previously opened, but it comes on the plastic. Just gonna pull it out. Okay. So the standard Pocket 3 comes in with the Pocket 3 itself, which is this. It comes with the Type-C to Type-C power delivery cable, which is this one. It also comes in with the Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover, which is on this box. It also comes with the DJI wrist strap. And the wrist strap is here. And last but not the least, it also comes with the Osmo Pocket 3 handle with a 1/4 inch thread. So the handle is here. It's still sealed. Okay, so that's what you get with the standard combo. Now, for an additional $150, you will now be getting the Creator Combo. And with the Creator Combo, what you will be getting would be the Osmo Pocket wide angle lens. Here you go. Sorry guys. Okay, so the wide angle lens, it's still open, it's still sealed. And you can just, it's magnetic, so you can just clip it there. And as you can see, it just snaps on easily. Next is one of my favorite additional accessories, which is the DJI Mic 2 wireless transmitter. This one. It also comes in with the DJI Mic 2 windscreen. So if you can see in here, this one just goes right in to this lavalier mic hole. You just put it in there, clips right on. And then you will also have the clip magnet, just in case you don't want to wear it like this. You could use the clip magnet rather. Okay, again, still sealed. Clip magnet. So for this one, obviously this is a magnet. Okay, next one would be the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. And this is also one of my favorite devices or additions. This one. The Osmo Pocket 3 mini tripod, which is this. And last but not the least, the carrying bag with the DJI logo on it. Now, does the extra $150 justify the cost? Let's break it down. So, the wide angle lens alone costs around $49. The wireless transmitter is currently unavailable and is not sold separately as of now. Just to let you know, a lot of people are also raving about this wireless mic because this one does have the 32-bit internal recording, which is an upgrade to the original DJI wireless mic. As of now, from what I know, only Rode Wireless Pro does the 32-bit internal recording. Next would be the battery handle. So the battery handle costs $69. The mini tripod costs $16, and the Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag costs $35. Adding all these four, which has a price, is already at $169. So with this alone, you are already saving $19 or roughly around 1,000 pesos. And do take note that you are also getting, once again, the DJI wireless mic 2, the windscreen, and the clip magnet for free. We don't know yet what is the price of this one. Now, do you need all these extra accessories? For me, the must-haves are the wireless mic and the battery handle. The wide-angle lens and the tripod and the carrying bag can be purchased separately from any other store of your liking. The wide-angle lens, there are third-party options like Freewell, PGY Tech, and other companies. The mini tripod has lots of options too, like for me, Ulanzi, which is my favorite. And for the carrying bag, I don't think we need to talk about this one. If you are here in the Philippines just like me, if you have a friend or a relative coming home to the Philippines, it might be a great idea to ask them to buy from you whenever or wherever they are coming from, as the back orders and the reservation lists goes on and on. I have been on the reservation list since October, and I have just gotten one last Christmas. And it's not even from the store, it's from someone who brought it in Japan. If you would like to purchase this device as well, I will leave a link down below so you could order your own. Please do take note that it's on a pre-order status, so you will receive it after 2 to 3 weeks. Now, on the next video, I will talk about the features of the product and why is it so special and why is it a content creator favorite. If you like this video and you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you and have a great day!